Time is of the essence in every emergency department, with multiple areas needing simultaneous monitoring, prioritizing care, and tracking of patients. Having to look for patients' records in various systems is cumbersome and can have clinical teams losing hours searching through multiple files or waiting for laboratory or radiology results. Introducing Juno Emergency Services Solution, an intuitive electronic health record application designed by emergency department clinicians for the emergency team. It's an all-in-one record-keeping application consisting of a series of status boards that serve as a communication center, allowing the emergency department team to track patients with ease from the moment they arrive until they leave. The status boards provide real-time, pertinent patient information to accurately identify the status of each patient's care and their location in the emergency department. The presentation, waiting room, and exam room boards correspond to the various stages of the patient's visit. The information gathered and documented during each stage allow the clinical team to accurately track all patients from the time of arrival until discharge. Throughout the status boards, there are helpful icons, alerts, and prompts that aid in highlighting vital information so that the clinical team never lose sight of important matters and can appropriately prioritize care. Additionally, My View allows a physician to see only the patients they are responsible for and can be sorted by area of the emergency department, while the patient listing provides a historical listing of all patients that have been treated. Spend less time documenting and more quality time with patient care. The ease with which each complete record can be documented thoroughly and accurately for every patient makes Juno Emergency Services Solution invaluable for every nurse and physician at the emergency department. The navigation on the clinical documentation contains tabs to focus on specific areas of care for nurses, physicians, orders, and more, with relevant clinical content that can be used to write a complete record. While editing the documented information can be done just as easily by simply clicking the desired section. Juno Emergency Services Solutions clinical content is comprehensive and can be filtered based on the patient's chief complaint, which can be arranged to meet the clinical role and workflow needs of the user. Similarly, intuitive features make writing orders easy and efficient, as the diagnostic and treatment orders are arranged in a logical way. Simply select a patient and click on the Orders tab to write the desired orders. Common diagnosis can be quickly documented using shortcuts, reducing the length of time it takes to access relevant content. Through documentation and helpful review options that make it easy to evaluate progress, Juno Emergency Services Solution is designed to help meet the unique demands of today's emergency department. By allowing clinical teams to obtain critical patient information in a fraction of the time, it enhances their ability to better manage patient flow, one of the many ways in which Juno Health serves in achieving better patient outcomes.